Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anshika and right now I'm standing inside Canton Tower. If you all don't know, Canton Tower is the world's longest tower in which is situated in Guangzhou, China. Right now as you can see, I'm in a taxi. I've just come out of my hotel and right now I'm just going to Canton Tower. You can see all the views of the city. It is truly very beautiful as you can see. And right now I'm just taking like a few shots as we are on the way. This is like one of the famous Banyan temple. I'm not very sure about it, but it's very famous. It is also like one of the touristy places. You can see the first glimpse of Canton Tower from outside. It's really very huge and not just huge, it is so beautiful and so colorful. I don't think camera is doing justice to it at all, but how beautiful and stunning it looks to the eyes, it really is not giving justice to the camera. So it is a very beautiful view, no doubt. Now I have come inside the Canton Tower after, taking the tickets and all. I'm just walking through the lift, and here is the lift. From this lift, we'll go, I guess, above like 120 floors. It has many floors, and we went upside. It was just so crazy. As you can see, the view from the lift is also so mesmerizing. You can see the river, you can see the boat, you can see the beautiful colors popping out from the lift. And I was lucky enough to stand near the gate. As you can see, I'm recording right there. It is a very beautiful view. I forgot to take the snippets of like the floor which we are going to. Now I've just come out of the lift and this is the view from inside. Honestly, Canton Tower is something that you can go once in your lifetime. It is not a very crazy thing from inside because all you get to see is just like a view and nothing else. Here you can see they are selling Canton Towers and they're also selling some souvenirs of, Guangzhou, which is very beautiful. And also they have like a lot of ice creams, a lot of different stuff that you can buy. It was quite expensive, but yeah, if you're traveling and if you want to buy some souvenir of China, you can definitely go give it a try. Here I'm trying to record myself, and if you can see, people were staring at me. It was because of the suction stick I have in my phone, and they were really curious about how I was recording myself. There were so many people who asked me how I was recording, which made me happy. Yeah, yeah. This is what you can see from the inside of Canton Tower, and the view is also very mesmerizing, truly, no doubt. We got so many pictures, so many videos, and it was so colorful as well. Here you can see there is a free photo booth. Like, you can click your pictures, but there are so many people who are clicking your picture, then they sell it to you, and if you want to buy it, you can buy it. If not, it is up to you. I've then taken some snippets of mine again just to add to this video. I also hope that you like my outfit. I am not giving justice to my outfit because my outfit was really looking very nice. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Now we are going back to the hotel. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me for more.